To set up a new appointment profile, start by navigating to Schedule, then select Appointment Profile and choose New Profile. Enter a name for this visit type and assign a default color so it's easy to identify on the calendar. The Reason for Visit field will automatically fill the Chief Complaint section in your clinical notes, so if this is meant to be a general appointment type, you can leave that field empty. Next, define the standard length of the visit by setting the default duration. If this appointment type is typically associated with specific billing codes, you can link a billing profile using the drop-down menu provided. For practices offering online booking, enable the option that allows patients to select this visit type through the scheduling widget. You can also connect relevant consent forms to this profile, giving patients the ability to review and sign them during check-in. Once everything is configured, click Create to save the new appointment profile.